Economic empowerment through value chain. For too long, our hard work milk producing farmers have been selling their produce at the farm gate price, losing out on value that processing brings. This new creamery plant is a new answer. It is a promise to our farmers that their labor will be rewarded with dignity and better returns. This facility will be a central hub for our milk cooperatives, providing reliable structures and high capacity market for their aggregated milk. By moving from the Simba producing milk to processing high quality dairy products, we are creating a robust local value chain that will generate jobs, stimulate local business, and inject millions into our people's pockets. This is the true meaning of economic liberation for our dairy sector. This is the only way I agree with President William Ruto on that thing of economic, the distribution of this milk to our schools. We're going to check on how a modern classroom, which had promised our people at Yangan, where those small babies will be coming in the morning, they watch cartoons, they're watching cartoons, and they've been taught Apa Chata, A, E, I, O, U, then they'll be given milk. Later on, they will be forced to sleep for close to an hour. In those smart classrooms, we have provided learning materials. We have put solar. We have put TV, mattresses, and there will be music. The music which will be opening their brains. That is our whole thing. For our farmers, I want to say this. I know for sure people gave up in keeping of what? Dairy cows. This is an encouragement that after operationalizing our factory, many farmers, many of the people are sitting here, they will make sure they are produced milk for processing. I'm looking forward for a day that I'll convince control of budget, that I can supply milk to grade 1, grade 2, all the way to grade 9. That's my dream. But for now, I want to assure you, for now, for our PP1 and PP2, they'll enjoy this precious commodity. The whole program, running from the groundbreaking launching of the milk and distribution to the